So I'm gonna show you how to remove the strong magnet in the microwave. First of all, you remove all those screws behind here. And you cut this cable. Come here. This one as well. Then this one. Can use this one. So the strong magnet is behind here. You go inside here. Take the plier, cut here, just pull this one here. So always when you are taking the strong magnet, if you want now to remove the capacitor, you must be careful, because the capacitor can be dangerous. But you must disconnect it. You take two screws like this. You put them together like this. If you go power, you're gonna, like a fire. So now this one is almost gone. So this is safe. But so this is the capacitor. This is the high voltage transformer. But our problem is how to remove the magnet in the microwave. Then we're gonna open here. Yes. You can see a bit hard. So. Okay. Remove this one. To go this side as well. So this is a bit high, so I put it on the floor. Press a bit high. Okay, no problem. Not just bend this one up. Bend this one up. Then this one, the first one is here. It's a bit difficult. You take this one a bit sharp. Press a bit down. Then up this one magnet. There are two, and there's one under here. So now I'm gonna remove the one under. So just try to open this a bit. This one I'm gonna remove. Sometimes hold a bit tight, but just be careful. Always try to have gloves. Always try to have gloves, because I forgot the safety. So then you just cut this wire. This one wire is small, you cut it. Then go this side, you cut another one, this one. So this is the one, the second one. See now, this the two magnets, they are so strong from the microwave. So I think you enjoy my video. I bless you. Bye bye.